Good morning. Today we will discuss what is an electric dipole. It is in first chapter, that is electrostatic charges and fields. So, what is an electric dipole? From this we start. Electric dipole. Dipole means di means two, pole means poles, polarity. So, electric dipole means two equal and opposite point charges separated to a small distance constitute an electric dipole. For example, this is a charge, point charge of polarity positive plus 2, and here is another charge, point charge of negative polarity. The distance of separation among them is, let us say, 2a. Why 2a is taken the distance among the two opposite charges, that later on I will tell you. Conveniently, for example, I have taken 2a. 2a is the distance between the two equal and opposite charges. So this system is nothing but an electric dipole. This 2a, remember, this 2a is very small. The distance between the two charges is very small. So how we define electric dipole? Two equal and opposite point charges separated to a small distance constitute an electric dipole. So, how to measure this electric dipole and what is its physical significance? So, first we will discuss its physical significance. Physical significance. What does this mean? Significance what? Physical significance what? I discuss you. We know that metals are two types. Some are polar and some are non-polar. You can say compounds can be divided as two types: polar compounds and non-polar compounds. So, in polar compounds, example is water, you can say HCl, etc. Non-polar compounds like carbon tetrachloride, methane, etc. These are the non-polar compounds. Water, HCl, hydrochloric acid, etc. They are polar compounds. In polar compounds, dipole moment exists. Dipole is found here and dipole is not found here. So how it is found we will discuss. It can be written as polar or non-polar. For example, you take the case of a polar compound water. Polar compound you take water. In water you will find that the positive and negative, you know that water as in water, you know that it is electrically neutral. Total amount of positive charges and negative charges are equally present. Hence, total charge is 0. Net charge is 0. That means in water you will find the center of positive charges and negative charges. Center of positive charges and negative charges, they are at certain distance apart from each other. Whereas in non-polar compounds, the center of positive charges and negative charges, they coincide. Don't coincide with each other. So that the distance between positive charge and negative charge, that is 2a, is equal to 0. Hence, they do not have dipole moment. But in polar case, you will find that positive charges, center of positive charges and negative charges, they are at certain distance apart from each other. So they constitute an electric dipole. So how it is measured? It is measured in terms of dipole moment. Dipole moment. It is denoted by the letter capital P. It is a vector quantity. So dipole moment is nothing but P is equal to Q into 2a. This is the magnitude of the dipole moment vector. P is the dipole moment vector. Its magnitude is charge multiplied with the distance of separation among the two charges. You can write like this: magnitude of P. We know that this is plus 2 This is minus 2. Two equal and opposite point charges separated by a small distance. So dipole moment we can define like this. It is the magnitude of either charge. Whether it is positive or it is negative. So we will not concern about the sign of the charge. We will only take the magnitude. So magnitude of any charge multiplied with the distance of separation among the two charges. So we can say write like this 2qa. Q into 2a we can write like this 2qa. And its SI unit is Q. The SI unit is coulomb and 2 is the distance is meter. C multiplied with M, it is written like this C hyphen M. C hyphen M can be coulomb meter. C for coulomb, M for meter. Most can be directly write like this CM. It is understood that it is centimeter. So don't write like this. It is written like this C hyphen M coulomb meter. This is the SI unit. What is about this direction? Dipole moment vector is always directed from the negative charge to positive charge. This is the direction of the dipole moment vector. That means if electric field is applied, we find that the electrons will flow from this negative charge towards the positive charge. Hence, the direction of the dipole moment vector is always directed from the negative charge to positive charge. This is the direction. So magnitude is 2qa. And direction is directed from negative charge to positive charge. This is dipole moment. It is a vector quantity. So now we derive the formula. What is the electric field on the axial line of a dipole? Axial line of a dipole. So we derive one formula. Electric field on axial line of a dipole. What is axial line? Axial line means, suppose this is a point charge plus 2, this is negative charge minus 2, distance of separation is 2a. So this distance, if it is extended on either side, that side we can extend or in this side we can extend. So this extended line which coincides with the length of the dipole is called axial line. So this is axial line, this you can say also axial line. If we take consider a point P here, or somebody may consider also the point at this side P. For example, point P. In point electric field due to this dipole will be how much? So for this we derive, this point is, let us say, this is called the center of the dipole O. If this will be the center, this distance will be A, this distance will be also A, because this total distance is 2A, this is the length of the dipole. So this point is, let us say, situated at a distance R from the center of the dipole. P is a point which is situated at R distance from the center of the dipole where we want to find the electric field. So how to find out now? So now we have to determine the distance of this point from this charge as well as this charge, because electric field you know that its formula is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q1 Q2 by R square, or you can say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This is the electric field formula. So for this we have to place a plus 1 coulomb, that is unit positive charge at this point, and due to this it will be how much? Due to this it will be electric field will be how much? So first we have to find out the distance of this point from this charge. Any point where charge to distance it has R, it has the A. This will be R times. Here total distance is R, this much is A. So if minus the remaining distance will be R minus A. Similarly, the distance of this point from this charge will be how much? If this is R, this is A, it will be R plus A. Clear? This will be R plus A. So now, we know that according to the concept of electric field, whenever we are wanting or we want to find the electric field at any point due to a charge, what we shall do first? We have to take a unit positive charge and we have to place it there. So we can go to unit positive charge रखिले ए चार्ज जो ए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का और तार डायरेक्शन कौन दिस unit positive charge due to this charge will move in this direction due to repulsion because the polarities are same. Hence this is the electric field direction due to the plus q. Electric field due to the plus q charge is in this direction, and this unit positive charge due to this negative charge will be attracted because opposite charges, unlike charges, they attract each other. So this is the electric field due to the minus q. Is it clear? Due to plus charge it is in this direction and due to minus q it is in this direction. So now we find the magnitude of both E of plus q and E of minus q. You know that if q is a charge, this is a point charge q. From r distance from the charge there is a point q. At this point the electric field is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught the charge upon distance square of the distance 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by square, and its direction is the direction in which a unit positive charge placed at that point will move. I know unit positive charge is dual move because due to repulsion. Hence this is the formula for electric field. So now we will write the electric field E of plus q will be how much? E of plus q will be in this direction. Its magnitude will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught magnitude of the charge q. For this charge we are finding the dou charge find electric field find process charge magnitude divided by the point or distance from the charge kete r minus l. So r minus l square. Next is its direction. So where direction find करले we have to take the reference of dipole moment vector. It is a dipole. This is a dipole. Already I told that the direction is always dipole moment direction is always directed from which charge to which charge, from negative charge to positive charge. So this is the direction of the dipole moment vector. Now this electric field aligns along the direction of this dipole moment vector. यार direction vector है ना? So with reference to this I can write the direction is p cap. P cap is a unit vector of dipole moment vector p. So this is E plus q. Then what will be E of minus q? Similarly it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge. Always remember while writing force or field, don't take the sign of the charge, don't take the polarity. Ignore the polarity always. Question बारंबार पूछी field या force लगला वाला कैसे charge का sign को मिला जाएगी. So it will be q divided by a point of distance and charge को कहते हैं. This is r plus. So q upon r plus a square. And its direction. The direction point because it is in vector form we are writing. Vector form में लिखे तो direction को दिया है. So this direction is opposite to the direction of the dipole moment vector. So it will be minus p cap. Minus p cap. Along the direction it is in opposite direction. Hence it is minus p cap. So now I will multiply this minus sign with the term. So it will be minus 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a square into p cap. Okay. Now total field at this point according to the superposition principle. There is a principle in electrostatics that is called superposition principle, using which we can add vectors. Electric field at this point due to this charge got that charge. Since electric field is a vector quantity, according to the superposition principle, total electric field at this point will be how much? Let the electric field at this point is E. So we can write E is equal to E of plus q plus E of minus q. Okay. Now its value now we substitute. This its value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a whole square into p cap. Plus of this it is minus, so plus and minus will be minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a square into p cap. Okay. So now this is the expression for total of net electric field at the point P. So now you can take common how much? You can take common 4 Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is satisfied. So you will get now R1 by R initial square minus 1 by R plus A square whole into P cap. Because this represents the direction, I have separated the direction from the magnitude. This is the magnitude, this is the direction. Okay? So now to how much? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught LCM R minus square and R plus L square. LCM कितना होगा? it will be R square minus S square square. Okay. Here if you divide with this, you will get R plus A square. As it is you keep, then if you divide R plus A square with R square minus A square, you will get R minus 0 square into P. Clear? So next, it is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Open the whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB 2AR. Okay. Next, open the whole square and multiply minus sign simultaneously. So it will be R square means minus sign if you multiply, it will be minus R square. It will be minus S square. And minus square minus means it will be plus 2AR. Divided by R square minus S square whole square into P. Is it clear? So now R square, S square, R square, S square will get cancelled. Only thing remains is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2AR plus 2AR is 4AR divided by R square minus S square whole square into 2. Okay. So this thing I can write as this 4QA into R. Q into 4AR is 4QAR divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus S square whole square into P cap. We know that dipole moment vector P is equal to 2QA. Its magnitude is 2QA. So in place of 4QA, we can write 2P. If P is 2QA, so 2P will be how much? 4QA multiplied 2 both sides multiplied 2 on both sides. 2P is equal to 4Q. Okay. So now in place of this, I can write like this. It is 2P into R divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into R square minus S square whole square into P. So this is electric field. This is the expression for electric field at any point on the axial line of an electric dipole. So this is the expression, general expression. Now we specialize it, means we consider now a special case. How we consider? For example, say special case now we calculate. So this is a special case. Special case now, for example, suppose this is close to and this is minus. This is an electric dipole. The length of the dipole is 2a. And the distance, the center of this dipole is. For example, I will consider a point at a large distance from the center. Center बहुत distance from the point, so that the distance of this point R is very better than A. A means half of the length of the dipole. Dipole length का half. A to जब R distance का dipole length में बहुत छोटा. Dipole normally we can charge they are situated at very close distance to each other. Okay. So this distance is very large in comparison to this area. So what we can do? Now we can neglect neglecting higher powers of S square, higher powers of A with respect to R. हमने कौन किया? r का कि a का बहुत छोटा, a स्क्वायर भी बहुत छोटा, ताकि q भी बहुत छोटा। फॉर एग्जांपल if a is 0.2 स्क्वायर कितना होगा 0.0, या तो बहुत छोटा ना है। जब गोटे क्वांटिटी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी तार वैल्यू मैग्नीट्यूड बहुत स्मॉल थाए तार स्क्वायर क्यूब देले से आरो छोट हो जाए हला नेगलेक्टिंग हायर परसेंटेज रिलेशन को आ तमने a का को हमें नेगलेक्ट करो। सो हाउ मच विल गेट स्पेशल केस रे बटन ए एक्सप्रेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट। सो u will be 2p into r divided by 4 pi epsilon into r square minus s square. So r square will remain, s square will be 0 since higher powers of a means s square we can consider as approximately 0. So r square s square जगह put करेंगे तो 0, so r square square into p since s square is 0. Okay, so this will be how much 2pr by कितना है 4 pi epsilon naught r4 p r square is r4. So 1 r will get cancelled. So we will get 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. What I have to do r cube already. So into p cap. So this is the electric field at any point on the axial line. You will consider the special case or it is called far axial line. Far axial point. This is the case for a far axial point. जो point बहुत distance है far. While solving numerical, जब हम numerical solve करें, तो always take care of this. If simply it is asked, then you substitute or you put the formula, and if it is mentioned in the question or numerical that the far axial point, regarding far axial point any hints is given, then follow this formula. Generally this formula is most widely used. सब कुछ जगह प्राय एक फॉर्मूला यूज करा जाए unless and until that means. ठीक है, ओके. Next class we will derive another formula, that is electric field on the equatorial line of a diagram. Equatorial line में electric field करना है. In the next session of our video we will derive that. Okay, so let us stop.